On this episode of the Ultimate Dry Age Project, we're going to feature a Tyson Chairman's Reserve whole roasted beef tenderloin with a foie gras stuffing. First, we're going to strip off all of the silver skin and extraneous fat, which will allow us to have a beautiful exterior texture. Tyson Chairman's Reserve beef tenderloin is probably one of my most favorite cuts because it still has a lot of fat and flavor, which most tenderloins end up being a little bit dry and lean. But because of the intermuscular fat, this makes it perfect for dry aging and gives you a little bit more of a chance for an upsell. First, we'll cut it in half, and then we're going to separate a little bit of the muscle fibers from each other in order to create a space for our beautiful foie gras filling. This is also a perfect opportunity to customize this and have it contain your signature flavors. Once it's stuffed, we roll it in our signature black pepper and herb crust, and then it's ready to go into the dry ager for 15 days. During this 15 days, all of the muscle fibers are going to contract to create a really even and consistent product that when seared is going to have an addictively crisp crust and a really dense, flavorful protein structure. Next, we're going to roast this whole, and then we like to present it as beautiful slices with spring onion emulsion, beef fat french fries, and beautiful white asparagus.